Hi, this is Elisa from WTI, and today I want to talk about a habit that's so important if you want to have good, healthy teeth, and it's taking care of your gums. What I do is use this Crest Gum Care. Not only is it very practical since I use it right after I brush my teeth in the morning and at night, but it also gives me the peace of mind that I'm avoiding or I'm preventing gingivitis. It helps remove plaque from your teeth and also get into those creases where you cannot reach when you're brushing or flossing. So this is something great that I use every day. It also helps bad breath because the flavor, I mean, it's so tasteful, like mint. It's delicious. It smells so good. This one is a cool wintergreen and it smells so refreshing and it tastes good. So I want you to see the color. You just need very little. You don't fill up the cup, which is awesome because this will last forever. So I want you to see the color from close up. Pretty much that's all I use. And you're gonna see it's maybe right there, the line. And you're gonna feel the difference. This is again, everyday use. And it's again, the Gum Care, the Crest, and it's the cool wintergreen. And I love it, and that is my point of view.